So I'm going to talk about something that's super important today, and that's defining terms and processes within your department. We're all going to make sure that we're on the same page, speaking the same language. So first thing, let's define the terms that we're going to use. An appraisal. What is an appraisal? Well, we're going to establish a value. How do we do that? Well, we're going to look at the market and we're going to see, is this a desirable car? Is it fast moving, slow moving? How much reconditioning does it need? How much profit do we want to make? And what's our exit strategy? The other thing that we want to talk about, what is reconditioning? Reconditioning is everything needed to make sure that the vehicle is frontline ready. And I'm using these generic definitions. You guys can define your own and make them what you want, but make sure everybody's on the same page. Also, it's really important to identify what is a desirable car? What do we mean when we say it's a clean car? What do we mean when we say that it's rough or edgy or a wholesale vehicle? Define those parameters so that your team clearly knows when they're making the appraisal, when they're taking one in on trade, when they are purchasing a vehicle. Is this something we want? Is this something we're going to pass on? When do we step up on a vehicle and put all the money into it? When do we back off and we let the customer know, hey, it's not the right car for the right market and it's not the right color? When is it okay to step up and make a deal? All of those things need to be defined so that you can have a more successful department, but also so you don't have to micromanage. If you guys are all on the same page, you all know what's going on, then it's really clear and you don't have to worry about it as much if you're not there every single second, every single appraisal, or every single customer interaction. Take that, define those. Let me know what you guys think and what you guys define as reconditioning or a hot car or a bad car. And let me know some common misconceptions or things that you had confused in your dealership. I would love to hear about them. And let me know how you got back on the same page.